In this video, I will show you how to create a dynamic image gallery with masking effects using Elementor and BWD Random Image Elementor. This is a premium plugin that you can purchase from the link below. Once you install and activate it, you will see a new widget called Random Image in your Elementor editor. This widget allows you to display a different image every time someone visits your page. Let's get started. With this add-in, you can easily display random images on your website or blog, adding a touch of creativity and spontaneity to your content. As you can see, I have already installed that add-in. After activation, go to the settings of any page. First, we need to add random images to the gallery. Those images will show randomly on each refresh. We can also add 40 different masking effects. Let's see how it works. We can assign a URL to each image box. This way, when someone clicks on the image, they will be redirected to the link we have set. This can be useful From the Style tab, we can change the image dimension, image ratio, and other settings. hope you like this video. Please subscribe and support me for more videos like this. You can find the add-in link in the video description. Please leave a comment with your feedback.